Hey, good evening everybody. Steven here from Las Terrenas Life Real Estate Solutions. So I have something very exciting to show you here. Actually, what's going to happen right behind me here, there's going to be a 6-unit apartment building, 3 levels, 2 units on each level. And as you can see, this lot is completely empty and there are only 2 of those 6 units left. So I don't want any of my friends or clients or any of you to miss out on this. As I talk more about it, I'll cross the street, go directly to the beach here. We are in Playa Bonita, just 7 to 10 minutes outside of Las Terrenas. So this builder and developer, I know them both. The builder is one of the most reputable in Las Terrenas, if not the most reputable. Does quality work, great finishes. This location is fantastic, absolutely. The developer is a great guy as well. He goes out of his way to make sure his clients are happy. A great pair to team up. When they team up, good things happen. And we want you to have the opportunity to see exactly what this is all about and where we are. So here's the dogs greeting me. So yeah, just about to Playa Bonita here. If you don't know it, buenas tardes. That's the reception. If you don't know Playa Bonita, you're in for a treat. I consider myself extremely lucky that I live about a 5-minute walk from here, so I know Playa Bonita well. I purchased my house here back in 2008. So there it is. What was that? Maybe a minute walk at the most. So here we're just at this is a hotel. Behind me you see is the hotel. To the right here is the beach bar and restaurant. Very chill vibe here, great spot. Very happening on the weekends. This is a Wednesday evening. It's about 6 p.m. in June, so normally this is not a popular, exciting time, but there's still people here. There's always people here. It's a beautiful place to be. So now I'm going to give you an actual shot of the beach itself. It's absolutely fantastic. How would you like to live a minute away from this? Live or vacation home, anything at all. There you can see the sun setting behind me. You can see that very well. Anyway, this is Playa Bonita. Just to touch again on those 2 units left for sale. 2-bedroom units, one at 235,000, and the other one at 239,000. 235 and 239. So I'll include links below so you can check these out in person, and I don't want you to miss out. Have a great evening, everyone. We'll talk soon.